Good morning, students. This is Mohan. As you all know that yesterday there was a notification being issued by ICAI with respect to the extension of the CA Foundation registration date for December 2021. Now, after seeing that notification, some of the CA Inter and CA final students have been sending messages to me that, sir, is it a confirmation that the upcoming CA Inter and CA final examinations will also be held in the month of December? The answer is may or may not be. The answer is simply to say there is no nexus, there is no relation between CA Inter, CA Final and CA Foundation examinations. Say for example, if CA Foundation examinations are going to be held in the month of January, let us suppose that doesn't mean the CA Inter and CA Final examinations will also be held in the month of January. CA Foundation examination cycle is different from CA Inter and CA Final, and it has been decided by the ICAI to have the CA Foundation examinations permanently in the month of June and December. Now coming to the upcoming CA Inter and CA Final examinations. So based on the discussion the latest discussion I had with one of the Central Council member, who is a very senior most Central Council member of ICAI, I can say that the examinations are likely to be in the month of December, but however, the decision is likely to be taken in the Central Council meeting, which is likely to be held in the middle of the August 2021. So as of now, the probability is 90%. There is at least a 90% chance that the examinations for the upcoming CA Inter and CA Final are going to be in the month of December. And there is a advisory from the Ministry of Law Affairs to ICAI requesting not to have any clash with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Institute of Cost Accountants of India and Company Secretary examinations. So before our institute, I mean to say ICAI, can fix the examination dates, it should even consider the examination dates of ICSI and the Institute of Cost Accountants of India as well. Thus, that could be a hurdle for the ICAI to take a decision to have an examination in the month of December. Anyhow, the meeting is going to be held in the month of August, especially in the middle of the August, likely to be in between August 15 to August 20. Let's hope that the examinations will be held in the month of December. And before I conclude, my appeal is don't blame me if it doesn't happen. Don't give me the credit if it happens. See, obviously, we are not the decision makers. ICAI has to take the decision. So this is all based on the information which I had as on today. God bless you.